Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna make some Christmas decorations. I'm gonna make these cute little trees which have got cinnamon sticks. Smell amazing. Here we go again, Christmas decorations. I cannot wait. I can't believe I still haven't put my tree up. It's imminent. It's gonna be very soon because I like to have it for as long as I possibly can because I love colors and I just need the warmth that a decorated Christmas tree gives you. I don't know, it might not make any sense, but I like it. I really like it. And if you are watching this video, I'm sure you'll understand what a decorated Christmas tree means. So a while ago, I made all this stash of lovely decorations. The reason why I came up with these is because ages and ages ago, I bought a lot of fabric. I love fabric, although I can't really sew and I don't have a sewing machine, but every now and then I try to hand sew something or make something with fabric. And these are one of those things. So I had all this fabric and I thought, oh, what about if I use cinnamon as a stick and just make little trees? And so I did. So I'm going to show you what I did. I created a template, which this is like 8 centimeters from here to there. And then these are 10.5 centimeters each. And then what I did, I marked the center and put, I believe it's like 0.5 centimeter on each side. So that would be the gap where I'm going to be putting the cinnamon stick. And then I reported this onto the fabric, and then I'm gonna sew all around it, leaving the gap for the cinnamon stick, and then I'm gonna stuff it with some toy stuffing and use the glue gun. I'm gonna put the cinnamon sticks in. Oh my giddy god, the smell of Christmas. Amazing. And I'm gonna decorate it. I'm gonna do like a very simple decoration at the moment. I'm gonna do like a little felt heart and just keep it really simple. But when I first made them, I put loads of like ribbons. So if you've got ribbons or anything like that, even if somebody gave you a gift and you've got a little nice ribbon on it, why not using it for decorate these little Christmas trees? So let's stop talking, let's not fuff about, and let's get on with this. So as I said, I don't have a sewing machine, so I'm going to be hand sewing this. I'm not great, but that will do. Well, he has done for the other one, so let's see. Let's get on with it. And here we go. Whew, that was challenging. That was very challenging. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut all around it and then turn it inside out and glue the cinnamon stick. Oh, and now the joy of turning it inside out. And here it is, our little tree. Let's stuff it. And there we go. We get our cinnamon stick, making sure that we got the stuffing all the way to the top. And we've got our tree. All we need to do now is just decorate it. As I said, I'm going to do something very simple. I'm going to draw a little heart on this bit of felt, and then I'm going to glue it at the front, and I'm going to leave it as simple as that. And there you have it. And I have this string that I've used before for the other trees. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a little bit like that. There we go. Just cut a hole at the back, and then we seal it with the glue gun. Ta-da! And there we go. Now we've got our little tree, and we can decorate our Christmas tree. So make sure you watch to the end to see how I decorate the tree and how I do it. If you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can keep up with the notifications on when the next video comes out. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to decorate the tree. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care for now. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.